Got to do a giga flounder. Alright, I had it on camera, so I wasted the whole spiel. But I have 2 flashlights, 2 ion batteries. They say to keep them out while you're not using it. So I want a bigger T so I could just slide this right in. Might need a little bit of neoprene or something to keep it snug in there. But a little connector, a little slip connector in here. I'll just cut it off the main piece and put it in here. Up to the 45. And then all the way up, I don't know, about hip level maybe. I'll get a right angle right here. Out to another little extension. And that'll be my handle. I'll cap it. Then I'll probably have a little bit left up here, cut it off. And then cap that. So these are just sitting here ghosting the other one that's not here yet. I can probably make it out of this huge length. So that's the plan. I'm going to go to Lowe's tomorrow and buy a new elbow. A T. I think that's all I need. And the right angles. What do you think?